Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And chances are you've already seen the video that shows the amazing, awesome bunches of blooms Stamp and Die Hard set for our Stamp and Die Hard Club members. Yay! Now, if you know me at all, you know when I'm designing a Stamp and Die set, I can never stop. Once I get in the zone, I just keep going and going and going and going. That's why we have more to the collection that are optional purchases. But let me tell you a little trick, my loves. If you're in the clubs or any of our clubs and you order these items, the extra items, not the club items, the extra items, they are on flash sale the first 24 hours they're on our website. Let's move on. So this is the club set. This is one of the add-on sets. So this one is called Simply Stems, and it has all of these stems, a bigger bow, and a fun little jar, and lots of sayings. So it has, hope your day is a basket full of joy, sending you smiles, thinking of you, hello, sending you prayers, you're the pick of the bunch. Isn't that cute? Now, you're saying, Stephanie, that's awesome, but I need dies that match. Of course. Yes, you are getting the inside dies and the outside dies, something we're famous for now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 dies. 16 dies. You can do the shadow or the inside die. Choice is yours. Now, phrases. We always need more phrases, right? Sometimes you just need that exact message you want to say. This is called Blooming Words. And it says, a bouquet of hugs for you, just a little reminder that you're loved more than you know, wishing you peace and gentle days, a basket full of love I send to someone special, my dear friend, perfect for the inside. Here's another good one for the inside. Actually, all of these are really good on the inside. Let your heart forever bloom and chase away each bit of gloom. Isn't that sweet? All of these are perfect for the inside. Yeah, definitely. Now, for a limited time, and for some reason, people are not believing me when I say the stencils are a limited time. They like email us and say, hey, 8 years ago, you released, I'm kidding about the 8 years, but you released this, I want it. I'm sorry, it's gone. It's limited. Stencils are limited. So if you like stencils as much as I do, or even if you like them a little, get them now, especially first 24 hours. Now, this is the Bunches of Blooms stencil. I need to tell you though, my loves, I'm so excited about this part. So remember when we first started releasing stencils, not only do I have the factory etch where the stamp will be underneath so you can line it up perfectly, but I also had them always etch our name at the bottom so you could know which side was the front. Well, just so you know, I'm getting older and so are my eyes. And I was having a little bit of trouble seeing that name at the bottom. So I pay a little extra. You don't. I pay a little extra to have it printed on there in pink, of course. That way you can see what side is the front. You are getting 3 different stencils, perfect for not only the club set, but also the add-on set. So just a heads up on that. 3 stencils in that kit. Last but not least is a die word set. And when I show you the die words, they never look like anything because they look funny on camera, right? But it says, here's an example, you are one cherished lady. Now, can I just say, the design team went nuts with this one because it is the perfect saying for all the wonderful women in our lives, right? Now, I've also added some little flowers to this. Imagine my thought process when I had them match the flowers in this set. Now, do you have to use these sets? No, it can stand on its own. But look at how beautiful that is. Here's another one. You are one cherished lady. Isn't that awesome? Don't you just love it? You could add little dots. That one has pearls on it. This one has epoxy dots on those flowers. Now, let's jump in and look at all the samples because my design team went nuts this month. Okay, here you go. First of all, can you imagine those of you that do craft fairs that sell the products you make? Perfect, perfect, perfect craft fair item to sell. Beautiful bookmark. So pretty. It's pattern paper on the back because they, who was this? Michelle used our pattern paper pads. So, and it's cardstock, right? So it's beautiful on the front and on the back. This has her information on what she used. But look how stunningly beautiful that is. Perfect for a craft fair if you want to, right? Love it. Now, oh, and to make it even go faster, use our stencil. Boom! You're going to be busting these out like crazy, right? Ooh, look at that. You are one cherished lady. Make your own background paper with those extra little stamps. Isn't that fun? Here's another one where you can make your own background paper using those fun bows. Love it. Flip it time. Are you ready to flip? I'm flipping on this one. Look at this. That bouquet fits on there perfectly, doesn't it? It's almost like I made it that way. Add the hidden panel. Yes, on this one, you can add the hidden panel. If you don't know about this technique, yes, I have a few videos on this one. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Ooh, or just go a little bit more simple. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful with our fun hello at the bottom? Oh, here we go. Look at how gorgeous those are. You guys, the flowers are going to make you freak out. Because look at how gorgeous in the little jar with a little tag on the front with our butterflies on the side. So gorgeous. Here's one, so pretty. Here's a good example. Using the dies without the shadow, the solid, you're using the inside dies. Using the dies with the shadow. See, you can see the difference. This one has a white shadow all the way around. I'll be honest with you though, my friends. I prefer the shadow. Some people don't. So that's why we give you both. Look how cute this one is as well. Isn't that fun? Now, these, you guys, look at this one. Same card, but totally different. Imagine making a set of these of 8 to give as a gift that are empty on the inside. So your friend that doesn't make cards could give these away as a gift. Give them away to friends when they mail a card. Wouldn't that be fun? Oh, another flip it. I love when the design team comes up with similar ideas. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So this is the regular version, but then I also showed you with the hidden panel. Oh, look how beautiful. Simple, simplistic, fantastic. I love it. I don't like the word simple because it's just elegant, sophisticated. Those are better words. Here we go. Look how fun that is with those fun stems on the inside. Here's another one with those fun stems on the inside. I absolutely love them. Now, let's look at that one. You are one cherished lady because I want you to see the same word dies 3 different ways. Look at that. Horizontally or vertically on an A2 card, but the same word dies totally different looking. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, my friends. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, look at the inside. My friends, the first 24 hours, I know you know, but I want to make sure everyone knows. First 24 hours, these items are on our website. They're on flash sale, so go check them out, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not in a club, go check out that button. Click that, join the club, just watch the video. It's going to explain everything. It's going to tell you what you're missing out on. You need to go check it out. Stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.